Greetings to all of our fearfully and wonderfully made educators. We welcome you to 2021 because yes, we did it and we are still counted in the number. 2020 brought along some tribulations, whether it was physically, mentally, financially, socially, but we know that with tribulation comes triumph, and we declare that 2021 will be our year to get all of that back. We are here still, and we are going to honor it with making sure that we push forth in our purpose. At Katalysator Educational Solutions, we have a lot of good news that will come out in 2021, so we're very excited about that. But today it's a teaching tidbit, and our teaching tidbit relates to elementary school math. How can we give students tools and strategies to be successful until they are comfortable with the algorithm? The area model can be used for adding and subtracting single digits, double digits, triple digits, and multiplying and dividing whole numbers, decimals, and fractions. So hopefully you can see how the area model can help students all the way up from first grade to fifth grade. So I'm going to use my Jamboard to show how to use the area model. We'll start with 46 plus 12. We will draw our box, and we need two to show our tens and our ones. 46, 12. I'm going to do a little plus sign. 40 is how many tens are in 46, and 6 ones. One set of 10 and 2 ones. I think I might have said 40 set of 10s, but it's 4 sets of 10s, which is 40. I add it together. 50 plus 8 gives me 58. How to do it if we are multiplying. 46 times 12. We still show our tens and ones, but this side is on the outside of the box. 46, 10, 2, 10 times 40 is 400. 10 times 6 is 60. 40 times 2 is 80. 6 times 2 is 12. So I have 72 plus 480, and that gives me 552. So if I'm dividing, I'm going to do 552 divided by 12. I want to draw my boxes kind of large because this is almost like having partial quotients where I break it down into 500, 50, and I wrote too big, 2. And I have 12. Off to the side, I would have my multiplication tables. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. So first I want to look at 500. How many times does 12 go into 50? And I see 48 over there. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 40. Here's my 40 times 12 is 480. I know that 80 plus 20 will give me 500. So what's left over is 20. I add that here. So instead of trying to figure out how many times 12 goes into 50, I'm figuring out how many times 12 goes into 70. 72 is too large. Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that this is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. And I'm left over with 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. And that goes in one time. If I add this together, that is 40 plus 5 plus 1, which gives me 46. So 46 times 2 equals 552. 552 divided by 12 equals 46. And I can look at my previous equation to see if that is correct. 46 times 12 equals 552. And here, it's still 40 plus 5 plus 1 gives me 46. Same difference. If I wanted to use my area model to multiply fractions, then I would do, 1 1/4 times 1 1/2. Make a big box. 1 and 1/2. And I will show them what's 1 whole is 1 over 1. 1 and 1/4. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 over 1 times 1/2 equals 1/2. 1 over 1 times 1/4 equals 1/4. 1/4 times 1/2 equals 1/8. So now I have 1/2, 1/8, 1, and 1/4. So I have 1 and 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. And I'll do that on the next page. Get rid of my circles. 1 and 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. I show them that the largest denominator is what we want to change everything else to. So 1 and 1/2 is multiplied times 4 to get 1 and 4/8 plus 1/4. So the 1/4 times 2 equals 2/8 plus 1/8. And I add that all together. I have 1. My denominator stays the same. 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 1 and 7/8. And that comes still from doing the area model. So with each one, we used it for adding 2-digit numbers. 46 and 12 equals 58. We use the area model to multiply 46 times 12. We use the area model to divide 552 by 12 using a horizontal partial quotient method in the area model. And then we multiplied mixed number fractions using an area model. And that is our final answer. I know I write like chicken scratch, but on paper and pencil or on the board, how I usually have my camera situated, it's much clearer and the students understand it. And the more we practice, the more that they grasp it. There you have it, how to use the area model in order to strengthen the foundation of students understanding place value for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. In most states, they don't have to use the algorithm for multiplying and dividing until 6th grade. So this is a perfect strategy for students to build upon each year. When they're in 1st and 2nd grade, they're using the area model in order to add and subtract. When they're in the 3rd grade, they're using the area model in order to do simple multiplication and division. When they get into 4th grade and 5th grade, they're using the area model in order to do higher ordered multiplying, dividing, using fractions, and decimals. Just remember, from KES to you, you were born to do great things, and this is your year to walk and push for your purpose.